Boy, all that quantitative easing and the zero interest rates, those are working wonders, aren't they?
Imagine what would happen if the interest rates were where they used to be.
We'll see. I don't think they'll be raising them.
Can they give you money for borrowing? that
They were
might
talking
help.
about negative interest rates. How does that work? Yeah, we should see what happens later on today. 531 points down on Friday, and the early indications it will be another down day. Some people are saying it might actually bounce back up in the afternoon, but
We'll find out soon enough.
yeah. All right, let's take a look at our fair forecast for the Western Idaho Fair the next 4 days. It doesn't look that bad. It's going to be a little bit warm out there, though, in the afternoon. Looking for a high of 95 over the next 3 days. And some areas of some smoke again today. Should be better visibility later in the week. And a slight chance of some showers or some afternoon thunderstorms, mainly over the nearby mountains. More likely, we might experience some thunderstorm gusts. So if you're by any of those tents, kind of keep that in mind in the afternoon. Here's our weather headlines. Less smoke, more heat. And some thunderstorms a possibility, maybe as early as Wednesday. Better chance on Thursday, though, and a cooler weekend. Daytime highs only in the lower 80s by next weekend. Once again, we have some fire weather concerns. Red flag warnings in portions of Montana and Washington and Oregon. Red flag warning that affects Baker City. Halfway in Huntington from 3 p.m. this afternoon to 9 p.m. for this evening. Also, air quality is an issue there. Not only there, but all across the Pacific Northwest for the most part, except on the other side of the coastal ranges. And once again, we're looking at air quality in the orange. Probably won't be as widespread as the last few days, maybe a little bit higher in the atmosphere, which will mean it might actually vent a little bit earlier in the day. So visibility this afternoon will be looking better. 69 degrees, bit of a breeze out there, 13 miles per hour, humidity at 26%. Stanley right now, 36 degrees. It's 10 degrees warmer in McCall, but they're on the cool side. Meanwhile, Boise now knocking on the door of 70 degrees at 69 right now, looking for a high of 95. And again, that's 8 degrees above normal, the overnight low. Also above normal by 6 degrees. Our record for the state, 104. Satellite map has a different flow coming up from the southwest, curving around the backside of a high, which is centered further to the east. And there's a low pressure system just off the Canadian coast that's also kind of giving us helping that southwesterly flow. Setting some clouds across southwestern Idaho, so mostly sunny skies in the middle part of the day. Looking at some high clouds, then looking pretty cloud-free on Tuesday. Now Wednesday, some moisture starts to move up from the southwest, possibly some isolated showers over our east central mountains, then they move off to the east on Thursday. Here's what we're looking at as far as our regional forecast. Sunny but smoky for Twin Falls with a high of 95. For Sun Valley, a high of 84 degrees. Sunny and smoky. For the Long Valley, you're looking at daytime highs in the mid-80s, mid-90s for Riggins and Council, mid-90s down here in the valley. And Knapp and Caldwell, looking at daytime highs pretty close to 94 degrees in both Knapp and Caldwell. Sunny but smoky for Boise. Warm over the next 3 days, and then a chance of some thunderstorms. Temperatures eventually cooling off and a little bit more cloud cover working its way in. Certainly by Friday, mostly cloudy skies, then partly cloudy and cooler for the weekend. That's legal weather.